Hey everyone, Jesper from SalesTools. Today we're launching AI SDR for LinkedIn that will handle all your replies in real time. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up. First, you're going to define how your data comes in. For example, here I'm looking at existing contacts. They could also be from a search or from an imported CSV file or from the auto AI SDR that automatically prospect for you. Then you set up how long time after you send a message. You set up your LinkedIn message. Hey, first name. Let me ask you directly, 50% of your SDRs are at least performing, so we set up a message. And then we set 0 minutes after because we want to activate the step to be immediate if somebody reply right away. And then we design the AI SDR, how it's going to handle the replies. So it looks at the communication history, but also what is your CTA, book a meeting, download the white paper, more details, what is your pitch, what are your objections, what are your competitors. So I didn't mention any here, but you can put in, I'm competing with company XYZ. This is how we're different. So if there's somebody they always compare you to, it will answer that. Then additional information, you don't have to put your link here. If you have Calendly and on an integration, set it up, then it will automatically have it. But if you use HubSpot or something, you can put, for example, please find the time here with the link to your system that you use for booking, or cal.com or Outreach or SalesLoft. And then I mentioned, for example, pricing, because some people might ask about pricing. And then once it's save and start, I can add multiple steps, add a different AI SDR for every step. So it's designed to answer it exactly the way the messaging was in that step. So if you have a white paper, you want to talk about the white paper, you can prompt it to do that. So it becomes super relevant every single time. How does it look like in real life? Let's take a look. So here you see the same message was sent out to Loredana. And Loredana replied back, sounds interesting, how's your pricing look like? And if I like the pricing, you have a demo. Now, the AI SDR, this is not me, actually replied back. And you notice there's a gap between timing. This was during our initial test. Right now, it will reply back within 10 minutes, so it's instant. And that's available for all of you. But basically, it went back, thank you for your interest. Our pricing started at $299 a month. If this fits your budget, we can absolutely schedule a demo to show you how AI SDRs can benefit your sales strategy. Please find the time here. This is not me. That's the AI SDR replying. If Loredana replies something else back, it's going to handle that reply and take over, and then also answer that. So it keeps the stream. And at this point, if she doesn't book a demo, we do check Calendly's API because I'm integrated. If they booked, and in 2 days, if there's no booking, it's going to follow up to 6 times every 2 days to make sure Loredana doesn't fall through the cracks. That's the brilliance of the AI SDR, and it's so simple. You can start using it today. You just have to look at your calendar when you get appointments. And in one of our future updates very soon, you'll be able to see the communication history, a snapshot point by point, what they talked about, but also something about the company. We run through our LLM models, who they're selling to, the pricing, what the target are, what products they're selling. So once you jump on that demo, you just read that in your CRM, which will sync automatically, or you see it in the calendar appointment, it'll be in the details. So you don't need to do research before you call. You just need to show up and close. That's the beauty of SalesTools. So take advantage today, get started, and if any questions, just hit our support.